I've always been a fan of mobile games like Flappy Bird, so why not recreate it, but on mobile? So firstly, I made some sprites and made the movement. So now I wanted to test this out, so I have this tablet which I'll be using as my test subject. So basically all we need to do is download the Unity Remote 5 app and basically play the game on the computer. And you can see it's lagging, but that's just because my tablet is shit. But besides that, it works great. So now it's time to make these pipes spawn, so let's get started. Okay, and it works pretty well. So next I'm going to make a death screen because our player doesn't really die. After a few moments we have this. Then I also decided to add a score because scores are like cool and stuff, and there's also a floor now so you don't fall into abyss. So now it's the final build test. And it works great. So you can actually download this game with the link in the description. There's a PC version, and if you're feeling extra gamer, you can download the Android version on your phone or tablet. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and bye.